Okay, so in case you guys forgot how to do adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators, we're going to just do a little refresher, right? And nobody likes fractions, so I understand the struggle, right? What we're looking for is like, what's the smallest number in the bottom, right, that I could have where, sorry, that's my alarm, where both denominators go into that number, right? So, for example, right, like if I were to look at 9 and 5, right, I'm like, 5 doesn't go into 9, 9 doesn't go into 5. So then I look, I'm like, okay, so a multiple of 9 is 18. That does not go, 5 does not go into 18. And then I look, okay, so then 27, no, 27 doesn't work. The next multiple of 9 is 36. That doesn't work either. But then I get to 45, and I'm like, oh, it's 45. And it happened to be like where, we were multiplying both of those numbers together. But it doesn't always work that way. Like, I'm looking at 10, right, where I'm supposed to start here, right? And so at 10, I'm like, oh, 5 goes into 10, right? How many times does 5 go into 10? It goes in twice. So I'm going to multiply on my second fraction, multiply by 2. So then I would get, I'll write it up here, 3 over 10 plus 4 over 10, oops, gives me 7 over 10. And then I would know that I needed to color down here. And then I go down. 2 does go into 4. Goes in twice. So I go 2 times 2. So I get 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is 1/4. So I go this way. And I'm like, oh, yay, I'm so good, right? Like, 3 goes into 12. I've got all these really good ones, right? So that's 4. And so then I get 1 over 12 plus 4 over 12. So I get 5 over 12. I was like, where did a 5 over 12 go? Okay, there it is. So, and then I would do, subtraction also. But if I happen to get like this situation, right, I have to think about like, or like here, this situation. 3 doesn't go into 7, 7 doesn't go into 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, that doesn't work, and then 3, 6, 9, 12, so I actually I get all the way to 21, okay? All right, so hopefully this works, and if you guys have any questions, let me know.